are at the animal shelter, or the shelter.
Abandoning cats, or any other animal.
Killing or injuring of cats. So we have to register Luna. So now we're in the dog kennels. Checking out the
Look,
dogs.
they have the,
That's a big dog.
Look at this dog. I think I want this one.
Yeah.
You should get it.
It's the invisible dog.
Won't make a mess.
Hey, buddy. Adopt me, take me home.
Take me home with you.
Please take me.
Please take me home.
Hi.
Yes, oh please. I don't care which one does. Just take me.
I know, I'm supposed
Keep
to get my fingers out of the cage.
cages.
But I gotta.
Hi. Look at that, dude. We can build one of those. I think Luna would like to play with you. You wanna come home with us? You wanna come home? It's gonna make me want to adopt another dog. We can't do that.
I want to go. This one's a volunteer favorite.
Volunteer favorite. Hi. Hi. You're a cutie.
Just.
You're a cutie.
What's up, dude?
Hi, buddy.
You're cute.
You're a cutie. What's your name?
Oh, you're on hold?
You're on hold. Someone's gonna take you home. Someone's taking you home.
Are you gonna go home?
Okay, bye-bye.
The
The kitties. The kitties. It's Sparta. Hi, Sparta.
It looks like Sparta.
Hi. Say hi. Adopt me.
Boing.
Adopt me.
Boing. Ooh, I want that one.
Hi. This gun's got little Hitler stash.
Hey, are you Hitler? I adopted you. I named you Hitler.
It's got a little hit mark. Oh, you're cute. Oh.
You want the camera?
You want the camera?
Like, I'm gonna get it.
No, this is just video to tease Luna. Hi.
Aww. Aww. You're so cute.
Hi.
He said, take me home.
Take me.
Take me home.
Can I get a high five? Can I get a high five? Thank you. Good boy, good girl. I don't know what you are. Whatever you are. Test. This cat's only a test.
This is a test. This is an
a-
emergency cat system.
Hey, you white kitty. See, who says ebony and ivory can't live together in perfect harmony?
These guys are all hanging out in a litter box.
Mmm. Fresh poop smell.
They're like, yeah.
Cats are so easily entertained. Hey. Hey.
What?
This guy's like, I want to play too, guys. You're not very happy, are you?
Well, I don't want to take you home then.
Dove.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. You're not a very happy kitty. Okay, well, fine.
Fight.
Hello. Domino.
Domino. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, kitty.
Oh, hi.
Love me. Love me.
Love me. Just don't want you to bite me. Oh. If you're a good one, I'd take you home.
He's purring.
Are you purring? See if we can hear it.
Purrzilla?
You're a cutie.
I like his picture. Look at that. What?
Hold on. What?
If we had a kitty, we'd have to get a kitten.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure it would have a lot of fun with Luna.
Hi. Its name is SpongeBob. Hey, SpongeBob. SpongeBob. You have no teeth. It's okay. So if you bite me, if you bite our dog.
Still his claws. Whoopee.
Whoopee. Hi. Hi. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Take him off.
Yeah. Get rid of
Like
him.
I have you.
Sleeping in groups. They all want to do that to the camera. It's funny.
They don't want your camera.
They all do.
This one looks like Wilma.
Hey, you do look like Mama.
Except we're probably not as crazy.
Just came in.
Oh, I'm so scared. Yeah, that's why that one humongous eyes. Shit taking. Come here, kitty. That's like.
Somebody's talkative down here. Who is that?
It's this guy. This guy's talking.
Is it this guy? You're a talker. Hi. You're a talker.
If you're very careful, you're gonna fall.
Don't fall.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna
Uh-oh.
fall.
Uh-oh.
He saved yours, yo.